If you're seeing the handbrake error that says try again later, don't worry. This is usually a Windows file access issue, and in this video I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it. We're going to stop file locking conflicts, change the save location, and make sure HandBrake has the permissions it needs to actually start the encode. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let's jump in. First, let's talk about the most common cause, file locking. Windows can sometimes lock a video file because it's trying to scan it, preview it, or generate a thumbnail. That means HandBrake can't fully access the file, and when that happens, you may see the try again later error. So before you do anything else, close any app that might be using the video. That includes VLC, Windows Media Player, Movies and TV, or even a browser tab that has the file open. Make sure those apps are completely closed, not just minimized. If you're not sure, you can also open Task Manager and check that nothing related to the file is still running in the background. Next, open File Explorer and go to the folder where your video is stored. At the top, click the View tab. Now make sure Preview Pane is turned off and also turn off Details Pane if it's enabled. This matters because Windows tries to read the file to show you a preview and HandBrake is trying to read the same file at the same time. That conflict can be enough to trigger the error, so turning those panes off is a simple but very effective fix. Once that's done, go back to HandBrake and try opening the source file again. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your save destination. A lot of people run into this issue because they're trying to save the output file into a protected or cloud-synced folder. For example, OneDrive, Dropbox, or even an external USB drive can sometimes interfere with the encode process. HandBrake needs a clean place to write the new video file, and if that folder is being synced, scanned, or restricted, you can get the same try again later message. In HandBrake, look at the Save As box at the bottom of the window. Click Browse and choose a simple location like your desktop. Or better yet, create a brand new folder directly on the C drive. For example, you could make a folder called HandBrake Output on C:\/ and save there for testing. This removes cloud syncing from the equation and gives HandBrake a much better chance of completing the encode without interruption. If you were previously saving to OneDrive or another protected folder, avoid that for now until you confirm everything is working. Once the encode succeeds in a normal local folder, you can test other locations later if you want. Now, if HandBrake still refuses to work, there's one more fix that solves this for a lot of users. Run HandBrake as an administrator. Sometimes the app doesn't have enough write permissions to create the new video file in the folder you selected. To fix that, close HandBrake completely, then right-click the HandBrake icon and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Then load your video again and try the encode one more time. Running as administrator gives HandBrake stronger access to the system and can solve permission-related errors that look like file problems on the surface. It's a quick test, and in many cases, it's all you need. So just to recap, if you get the HandBrake try again later error, do these three things in order. First, close any video players and turn off Preview Pane and Details Pane in File Explorer. Second, change your save location to a normal local folder like your desktop or C drive. And third, run HandBrake as administrator and try the encode again. These fixes solve most HandBrake file access and permission problems on Windows, especially when the issue is caused by file locking or a protected save folder. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another HandBrake error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.